Welcome to this guided meditation. I will be helping you to fully relax and prepare for sleep. Begin by finding a cozy and comfortable spot where you can fully relax. Imagine yourself in a serene and pleasant environment, with the soothing sound of rain gently falling outside. The rhythmic patter of raindrops creates a calming backdrop, washing away any tension or stress you may be holding on to. In the distance, faint rumbles of thunder remind you of nature's immense power and its ability to restore balance. Allow yourself to feel safe and at ease in this moment, knowing that this time is solely for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose slowly. Hold it for a moment and gradually exhale through your mouth. Keep breathing smoothly and slowly. Let each breath guide you deeper into relaxation as we begin this journey together. Start by bringing your attention to your body. Notice how it feels against the surface beneath you, whether it's a soft bed, a couch, or a yoga mat. Feel the weight of your body sinking into this support system, allowing gravity to pull away any tension. Now shift your focus to your feet. Wiggle your toes slightly if that feels comfortable, then let them relax completely. Move up to your legs, noticing any tightness or discomfort there. With each exhale, imagine releasing that tension like water flowing down into the earth. Continue this process upward through your body, relaxing your hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, and finally your face. Pay special attention to areas where stress often lingers. Your jaw or forehead. And consciously let those muscles soften. As you do this scan of relaxation from head to toe, keep listening to the rain outside. Imagine each drop carrying away heavy thoughts or emotions that no longer serve you. Now bring awareness to the sound of rain outside. Picture yourself standing near an open window or under a covered porch, where you can hear it clearly but remain warm and dry. Each raindrop seems to carry with it a message of peace. A reminder that life flows naturally when we allow it. Visualize these raindrops washing over you. Not physically, but energetically. Cleansing away worries or burdens from the day. Imagine them gently rinsing off layers of stress until all that remains is calmness within. As thunder rolls softly in the distance, take note of its grounding presence. It reminds us not only of nature's power, but also our connection to something greater than ourselves. A rhythm that has existed long before us and will continue long after us. Breathe deeply here. Inhale for 4 counts as though drawing in fresh energy from nature itself. Hold for 3 counts. Then exhale slowly for 5 counts as though releasing everything unnecessary back into the earth. Repeat this breathing cycle several times while staying attuned to the sounds around you. The rain falling steadily and thunder rumbling far away. Close your eyes if they aren't already closed, and imagine yourself lying on soft grass under a protective canopy during this gentle rainstorm. You are completely safe here, shielded from getting wet, but close enough to feel immersed in nature's embrace. Picture tiny droplets landing on leaves above you before cascading down in delicate streams. These droplets symbolize renewal, a chance for everything old or stagnant within you to be refreshed and revitalized. Feel warmth radiating from within as though every cell in your body is being nurtured by this natural rhythm around you. The distant thunder serves as an anchor, a low hum, reminding you that even amidst storms there is beauty and balance. If thoughts arise during this visualization, as they naturally will, acknowledge them without judgment, before letting them drift away like leaves carried downstream by gentle currents. As we near the end of our meditation session together, allow yourself to sink even deeper into relaxation. There is no need now for effort or control. Simply let go entirely. Imagine wrapping yourself in a warm blanket made not just of fabric, but also comfort and safety itself. A cocoon where nothing can disturb your peace tonight. If thunder continues faintly in the background, let it serve as one final reminder that all things pass, including storms. And what remains is calmness at our core when we tune into life's natural cycles. When you're ready, or maybe you're already drifting off, give yourself permission not just to rest, but to rejuvenate completely overnight, so that tomorrow can begin with renewed clarity and energy. Now, as we come to the end of this meditation, allow yourself to remain in this peaceful state. Keep your eyes gently closed and feel the warmth of relaxation enveloping you like a soft, comforting blanket. There is nothing more you need to do. No tasks. No worries. No expectations. Simply let go. Let the soothing rhythm of the rain outside continue to guide you deeper into rest. Each drop whispers calmness. Each distant rumble of thunder reminds you that you are safe and grounded. Allow your breath to flow naturally now, soft and steady, as your body becomes heavier with relaxation. If sleep begins to take over, welcome it without resistance. Trust that this moment is exactly what you need. A time for restoration and renewal. Let yourself drift effortlessly into a deep and restful sleep, knowing that when you wake, you will feel refreshed and recharged. Sweet dreams await you. Rest well